Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make a public Snapchat account. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have my Snapchat already open, and you can use your personal account or you can create a different account just from scratch to make that your public account, whatever you want. Once you go through and make the account itself, it's very simple to make it public. All you do is go to your profile like I'm on right now, and then go to the top right hand corner to the settings. And then what we're going to do is scroll down until you get to the category called Who Can. And this is where it's going to say who can contact me, notify me, view my story, everything like that. And you want to make sure all of those are set to everyone. That's how we're making it public. Right now, it's probably set to my friends, and that's going to take away from making it public. So we're just going to choose everyone for all of these. So everyone, everyone, everyone. See my location, that could stay as your friends or whatever you want. That doesn't really matter to this. But once you choose all of these over to everyone, you can go back to settings. And then what you're going to do is right underneath Spotlight and Snap Map, you're going to hit these three dots. And above, it's going to have three options. Mine only has two because this is already a public profile, but it's going to have three options. The top one is going to say, do you want to make your account public? And then it's going to say add to story and then save story. So you're going to click on, do you want to make your account public? And then it will bring you to a screen where you're going to just click through and your account will be public. The next screen that's going to show you is back to this screen, and this is where now you can see underneath Spotlight and Snap Map I have public profiles, and this is now I can manage my public profile. I can click on that and I can edit it by clicking on that, adding the photo, location, whatever. And then it also gives me, if I push preview my profile, it gives me the subscribe button. You can do the highlights, but that's how you make it public. All you have to do is make sure those settings are correct and then go through the steps that I walked you through. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.